Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Cognizant has already announced its biggest hiring for GenC role, 4 lakhs per annum for 2025 batch. Now many of the students are going to do the mistake of using their resume which is not prescribed by the Cognizant. Cognizant mandatorily says that you should have a photo on your resume. We will talk about the exact format of this resume. Also friends, in this particular video, I will tell you step by step to apply for this particular job opportunity. Okay, so you do not have to worry at all. Okay, here I am going to tell you the complete information in this particular video. Okay, done. Now, so before that friends, I wanted to request you, please do subscribe to this channel so that any update, hiring information, you don't miss it here. See, many of you will tell, sir, you are doing it for views and all those things. No, today you subscribe, tomorrow you unsubscribe. I really don't care, but today you need to get a job, and for that whatever is required, we are doing it. Okay, anyway, now let us come back. So friends, Cognizant strictly says there has to be a resume format, and here you see, if you go to this particular document, okay, so they have also given the process. So many of the students will not be able to write, or they will not be getting mail for communication and aptitude assessment. So as soon as you register, then there will be a screening, and if your resume does not meet that criteria, then see, a screening if cleared, then only you will be getting mail for communication and aptitude assessment, right? So be very clear. Okay, and the complete information is also given in this particular document. Anyway, now let us go back and see. So friends, this is a resume format, and here if you'll see, so we have multiple resume format: Deloitte, IBM, Infosys, and then that is for Deloitte only, and again here resume with this editing. Okay, so you can do the editing. So this is Cognizant template which you could see here. So this particular link will be given in the video description. From there you get this resume, edit it, and then apply. Okay, fine. Next is friends, so how to register step by step. So you will be landing to this particular page. One more thing, so many of you are getting some kind of error messages while applying, that because of Cognizant policies you are not able to apply. So friends, here also there is a cooling period. If you are not able to apply, that means you are restricted. And even if you go and create a account, okay, you can check it out if you are able to apply or not, because your details, your resume, your photos, everything, they are already having it. Okay friends, see, this is one of the opportunity which you should never miss it. Okay, and that is the only reason we have also launched the Cognizant crash course. Friends, 2025 batch, it is very difficult for them to get another opportunity. You see 2024 batch, how many opportunity you see, because companies always prefer the recent batch. Now 2026 batch will have a lot of opportunity. So this you don't miss and don't regret later. We are going to give our best, you give your best. Okay, and 800 rupees is not a big amount, but trust me, this will help you to secure a job in Cognizant. Okay, anyway, now, so once you click on apply, then attach your resume. So resume already I have attached here. So this is a dummy resume, just to show you how to apply. Please confirm interview city for attending in-person technical interview. So from here you can select, okay, wherever you have interest. So these are the locations. Okay, fine. Then do you have a PAN card? You can mention yes, PAN card is mandatory. Okay, first name on PAN card, so Pratik, okay, Kumar, correct? Or a year, shit. See, that is a problem, with this particular tool. Okay, I mean when I am doing it on this one. Okay, so fine. So here I had selected Bangalore, and then do you have a PAN card? Yes. First name, so that you can fill it out. Okay, anyway, that's not a problem because I'm not going to fill the complete application. Okay, so let us remove it. And then first name, your middle name, last name, father's name, emergency contact number. Is your college located in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka or Kerala? So based on that you fill. If it is yes, select yes. If no, select no. Select the additional skill cluster that you are proficient at. A skill cluster 1 is the default cluster for technical assessment, and candidates will be evaluated on Java, NC SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript skills. Okay. If you go to the document here, friends, then you will be finding more information about that. Okay. So skill cluster 1 is the default one. So skill cluster 1 is a default cluster for technical assessment, and candidates will be evaluated on this. Candidate can choose skill cluster 2 or skill cluster 3 or not applicable, as there is additional skill cluster. Based on the preferences of additional skill cluster, few candidate will be considered for skill cluster 2 or skill cluster 3 assessment, which will be notified. Okay. Now friends, please try to understand. So what you can do is, see, the cluster 1 is the default one. Okay. Now if you are good at cluster 2, okay, cluster 2 is Python, cluster 3 is CISA. If you are good at, you can select, and later on only few of the students will get this opportunity. Otherwise your default one like Java, NC SQL, HTML, CSS will be asked. Select preferred job location. अरे भाई पहले जॉब तो दो यार, जॉब लोकेशन, इंटरव्यू लोकेशन, घंटा अभी रिटर्न निकला नहीं. Okay, Bangalore. Sir, why are you feeling Bangalore? Because I stay in Bangalore. Then preferred job location. अरे भाई Kolkata, whatever it is. Are you flexible to work from any location and city? You want me to work from Mangal Grah? Okay, done. I will do. Are you flexible to work for any shift timing? Yes. Are you flexible to work on any technology domain track? Yes, bhai, yes. Were you employed with Cognizant earlier? No. If that is the case, I would not have opted for it. Did you apply for 2025 on-campus drive for Cognizant through your own campus? If yes, means select yes. If no, means select no. Definitely you would have done that. If you are employed earlier, share your employee ID. No, I had not employed. Select your nationality, Indian. Foreigners, why they will come and they will apply for 3LP and all. Do you have a passport? If yes, yes. If no, no. If yes, do you have an Indian or foreign passport? If foreign passport, which nationality? All those things are not eligible. Do you have voter ID card? Yes or no? Do you have cyber security as degree specialization or an elective? You can say not applicable. Okay. Select the skills in which you are proficient at, hands-on, on certified. So whatever it is, you can mention Java, you can mention whatever the languages are. Okay. Then select your proficiency in Java. So hands-on working knowledge. Okay. Select the option that best describes the hands-on experience you have in Java. Some kind of hackathon you must have done. Please provide the details of solution developed by uploading a file or sharing link. I want to provide a link, or if you have any kind of certificate, something you provide. Provide the link of the solution developed for Java. Okay, give write-up in 300 words on how you applied the skills for the chosen work. For that, what you can do? Chat GPT Baba is always there. Select the cloud technology in which you are proficient. You mention not applicable if you have, if you are not, if you don't have any information about Microsoft Azure, AWS, Google, GCP and all. Okay. And then, chal bhai, tumhara bhi website. Okay. Select the technology in which you are proficient. Okay. Select the additional skills in which you have theoretical hands-on experience, work and certificates. So if you have anything, you select. Otherwise, there'll be option not applicable. Not applicable will be always there. Okay. Fine. Next, do you know German language? No bhai. If I know German language means German बंदी होगी भाई अपने पास. Do you know French language? French बंदी है हमारे पास नहीं. Do you know Japanese language? Japanese बंदी है नहीं. Are you physically challenged? Physically challenged means you will get government job, because in government job there is a reservation for the physically challenged people. Why you will physically challenged people? Why they will go and die in companies like Cognizant, Infosys? The name given while registration is considered final. Chalo bhai, okay. The scores uploaded and educational documents. We request you to acknowledge. I agree. And then you click on apply. You will be getting a mail that you have successfully registered for the mega Cognizant hiring opportunity. So this is the two things which I wanted to tell you in this particular video. Hope it is clear. Thank you for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, friends, so that you will be getting each and every information and opportunity from our channel. Take care. Bye-bye.